In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Slack account permanently. Before we begin, a quick note on terminology. In Slack, the action you're looking for is called deactivating your account. This effectively removes your access, stops notifications, and takes you out of your workspaces. Your visibility in channels is removed, though messages you previously sent may remain based on your workspace's retention settings. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Slack. Click the Admin option, then choose Workspace Settings. This is a helpful starting point because it puts you in the right area to confirm details about your role and ownership. Some labels can look slightly different depending on whether you're using the desktop app or the browser, but you're aiming for the Workspaces settings page. Next, head down to the very bottom left of your Slack window and click on your profile name. This opens a small menu dedicated to your personal preferences and account. From that menu, select Account Settings. You're now moving away from workspace level controls and into your individual account area, which is exactly where the deactivation option lives. Once you're on your account page, switch to the Settings tab. This tab holds your core account preferences and any actions related to your identity on Slack. Take a moment to scan what's here so you're confident you're in the right place. Now scroll all the way down. Near the bottom, you'll see the option to deactivate your account. This is the final control you need. When you click it, Slack will guide you through a brief confirmation to make sure you understand what happens next. There's an important requirement to keep in mind before you proceed. If you are the sole owner of any workspace, you must transfer ownership to someone else or delete that workspace entirely before you can deactivate your account. Ownership is a special role that ties your account to the workspace's fate. So, Slack prevents deactivation until that responsibility is handed off or the workspace is removed. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check each one to confirm you're not the only owner. Once that's resolved, return to the Settings tab, scroll down, and choose to deactivate your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. After this, you'll be signed out and your account will no longer be active. And there you go. That's all you need to do to permanently remove your access from Slack. Take a moment to ensure you've saved anything you need and you're done.